What's the meaning of bouncy? Bouncy. Bouncy.
Bouncy. Bouncy. The term bouncy typically refers to an object or surface that is elastic or springy. When an object is described as bouncy, it usually means that it is able to absorb and rebound kinetic energy, resulting in a lively and playful quality. For example, a bouncy ball will easily rebound off surfaces and may be used for games or sports. Similarly, a bouncy floor may have some give and flexibility, providing a fun and playful surface for activities like dance or exercise. Overall, the term bouncy connotes a sense of liveliness, playfulness, and movement.